Happy, happy. Welcome to Union Bible College and Academy. I'm Adam Buckler. We're in the midst of our winter revival meeting with Reverend David Fulton. He's been doing a fantastic job, and we're so glad to have him on Take 5 today. Thank you, Brother Fulton, for taking time to Take 5 with the President. Brother Fulton is an alumnus of UBC, and I know he has plenty of stories and memories to share. Why don't we just start with you sharing one of those memorable things from UBC past?
I have a lot of memories here at UBC, and my memories go back when it was UBS, Union Bible Seminary, so that's how far back my memories go. But I guess one of the things that I remember the most is those times when God would come and minister in our chapel services and in our revivals. As a child, in and out of Victory, it was those times that kept me focused on the one thing that was the most important, and that was serving Jesus Christ. Because when His presence came, when His power came, even when you were out of Victory, you knew that that was what was real. That was what was most important. And I appreciate those times, and I have a lot of memories, and we could take more than 5 minutes just going over the memories. But that, I guess, is probably the thing that has stood out to me the most over the years, is the times that God has come and met with His people over the years.
Brother Fulton, I'm glad that's one thing that has not changed at UBC. We appreciate the spiritual atmosphere. Of course, the revival we're in right now is helping to cultivate such an atmosphere. Now, there have been some positive changes, however, down throughout the history of UBC. Can you tell us about some of those that's apparent to you?
There have been a lot of good, positive changes that have taken place here on campus. I remember back when I was young, anytime school revival would happen, it would happen in the old chapel. When you try to pack a couple of hundred people inside of the old chapel, it got toasty no matter how cold it was outside. And there was no room. You couldn't get up. It wasn't very convenient. The annex was where a lot of people sat, but they were separate from the main congregation. But now we have the beautiful Smith Auditorium where we can seat a lot more than just a couple of hundred people comfortably. And that's been a wonderful improvement as we've seen how God has helped and increased and made that potential. And I so appreciate the positive changes that have been made, and that's just one of them that could be mentioned here, is how God has helped and increased the potential and the possibility of getting together and worshiping God. We can have a larger crowd now, and the churches can come in and not feel like there's not going to be enough room, because there's plenty of room and everybody can get together and worship the Lord together.
Well, it is exciting what God has done down through the years and what God is doing right now. The changes are still being made presently, and we thank the Lord for every possibility that He brings upon the horizon. Brother Fulton, this time together wouldn't be complete unless you shared with us how UBC's impacted you. It's I'm sure, formed you as a person and helped you as a minister, so talk to us about that.
The impact that UBC has had on my life would be immeasurable. From the godly men and women that graced the halls of UBC and did their best to form, to teach, to mentor the students down through the years. Now, I never knew the founder, William Smith, but I did know his son, Simeon Smith, and what a godly man, and the impact he had on my life. And then down through the years, the others that have made godly impacts. I know I would not be anywhere where I am today. I would not be a Christian had it not been for the impact of UBC. It's founding me in the faith, teaching me the disciplines of faith, teaching me what it's like to be a Christian, what it means to serve Jesus Christ. And that is an impact that I'll never get away from, don't want to ever get away from, but rather pass it on to the next generation that's here at UBC.
Brother Fulton, thank you for sharing. We're so thrilled how God has used Union Bible College to shape the lives of men and women down throughout the past years. And we're so excited about how God's going to continue to do that in a better and better way over the next few years. We're telling everyone the next years are the best years at UBC. It's not because we're doing something independent. It's because we're building upon a wonderful heritage and foundation that's been laid, and we want you to be a part of that as well. On behalf of all of us here at Union Bible College and Academy, I'm Adam Buckler.